If you've ever looked at a bamboo cube puzzle like this before and thought to yourself, that looks too perfect, I want to tear it apart, then this is the perfect video for you. Welcome to the solution for this bamboo cube puzzle. This puzzle is basically a series of pegs like this, bamboo sticks with little pegs on the end of them, all put together. And there's one of them that's different than the rest, so we will name that one Jim. And to find Jim on this puzzle, what you need to do is look for the piece that does not have a peg. And that's this one. Jim's the key to this entire puzzle. When we put it back together, Jim will be the last piece we put in, and when we take it apart, Jim's the first piece that we take out. So Jim just slides right out of there, and then everything else starts to fall apart afterwards. You can see those will slide down, this will slide over, these pieces will come out, and just basically all falls apart. So while all the pieces have fallen apart, there's basically one thing you need to do. You need to find Jim again and keep Jim aside, right there. The other pieces will all put together into the puzzle. But that's the solution for taking it apart. Spoiler warning, I'm about to tell you how to put it all back together again. The hardest part about this puzzle is dropping stuff on the floor. Other than that, the hardest part is actually putting it back together again. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I like to use two pieces as my base, and I want to make sure that Jim, your key piece that only has one peg on one side, stays off to the side. So you would keep that over here. These two pieces I'm going to use as a base, basically a foundation to build everything off of, and then I'm going to pull them out at the end, but you'll see why. It sort of makes life a little bit easier. So the coloring of the pieces does not really matter. You want to start off with two pieces in this way, straight up and down, pegs facing upwards. And the pattern for all of the sides of these, like everything we put together, is going to be basically like this. Pegs on two of them are facing inward, and the third one's kind of facing like that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and set that up just as you saw before. So you see that I have the pegs facing inward. On those ones, I'm going to do that again. Pegs facing inward here and here. And then the third one, I'm going to put the pegs like this. So you see I've kind of kept that pattern. You can see from above that the pegs are all facing in like that. Now I'm going to copy that same pattern in this way. So pegs facing in, and then a third one is going to go on like that. And I'm going to copy that straight on here like this. So, well, hopefully without knocking anything over. So the first one is going to go right here, like that. Then my second one is going to go here, between all of those. And then my third one's going to come on like that. And there we go. All right, so I'm going to continue those layers as I build this up. So my next set of three, or my next set of is going to be this way. And so you saw those two that I had setting like this. Now I'm going to flip these ones over and set them straight down in here. I have to kind of fish them through. Fish those through, fish that through. And you'll see that that's essentially doing the same exact pattern because these two pieces are now facing each other. Now I'm going to, again, follow the same pattern I had before. That one in, that one in. Now I need to pull these two out. And at this point, all the bottom ones are holding on the pegs of each other. So it's all basically holding together. So you can see now that I have basically this pattern set of the pegs in on two, and then kind of the third one there. So my final step now are these two pieces. I've got Jim over here and I've got this one over here. This one is going to fit right in there. I'm going to try and pick this up without having it clatter to the ground. But you can see that the main difference is that this set here only has pegs on one side. So that's going to be a little bit easier to fit that piece into there. So I'm going to put the non-gym piece, it's going to basically go through here on there. And the gym piece then will slide right into here, right in between those at the end. So to get this piece to go into there, while it has pegs on the bottom of it, basically what I need to do is to push these two down without making anything mess up. So I'm going to just try holding it and see what happens. Usually I'm not having to work around a camera while I do this, so there, it seems to be working pretty well. So you see I push those down. I'm going to put this one with two pegs here and in, and slide that underneath. Boom, and now basically the entire thing's done. Jim's going to slide in. Just slide right in there nicely for that final solved cube. That is how you solve the bamboo cube puzzle. Again, Jim, our key piece is right here, but that's the full solution. If you found that helpful, I put some links below where you can buy this cube or other similar cubes to it. And if you did find it helpful, go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week with another puzzle solution.